In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Squid Game Unleashed with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to queue up in Squid Game Unleashed with your friends. All of you will be able to play together. When you first download Squid Game Unleashed, all of you will have to go through the tutorial individually, so make sure that you complete it, and once you are able to interact with the options in the lobby, choose Party at the right side of the screen. So when you tap on party, one of you will be able to create the party and everyone else is going to be able to join. So creating party, you will receive a party code. Share the party code with your friends and they can join the same game. And for join party, there is a warning. Partying with players from other regions may impact gameplay quality, so keep that in mind. But if all of you are in the same region, the experience is going to be seamless. So one of you taps on create party, and you will be inside here, so you will see your portrait. Now the party code is displayed at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and copy this code. So for example, this code is NSNJWZ. Now let's say I wanted to join this lobby. What I would be doing to join this lobby is to tap on party at the right side of the screen, and I would paste the code that I copied here. Then I would tap OK and join that specific one. Now, because I left my own party, I'm not able to join. Because I'm recording this alone or there's no other devices available for me to demonstrate, I won't be able to show you how it looks. But once everyone is in the lobby and all of these slots here are filled, the host can go ahead and choose play, and the match will start after this countdown. So it is simple to play together, and all of you will be able to chat and talk using the voice chat options here. So everyone joins the same lobby or the same party and you can play with friends. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Squid Game Unleashed with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.